Hey, this is Ryan Clements, and this is the Boardr barbecue at the Dream Driveway. I built my driveway basically so I could do rock and rolls all day, every day, whenever I feel like it. But what fun is having all these toys with no one to play with? So when all the friends are in town, I invite them over for a barbecue and a session.
Film this line, first try, back tail on the quarter pipe.
Probably showed up, but apparently we were turning up too much. But Clembo's about to tell him the business real quick.
Can you really go wrong when you invite a bunch of friends over to skate, have a barbecue, and drink some beer? I don't think so. Another Boardr barbecue at the Dream Driveway is done and a success.
Best toast ever right here.
What?
Thanks for having us, man. Boardr boys.
Boardr, board.
Have you ever used Plan B? No? Plan C.